Oh my god. Oh my god. Candy. Candy. Can I get it? Can I fucking have it? Hello, dude. Can I fucking get the fucking coins, dude? Holy shit. Oh, let's go. Who do I play? Who do I play? Maybe- Should I be the big rock? Shit. Shit, my boy. I will be the rock. Oh my god, dude. Put me to rest. Put me to fucking rest. God, dude. Why do people play Yasuo this way, dude? And this fucker, dude. How do you enjoy life, dude? I don't understand. I don't understand. Oh my god, ho.
30 seconds until minions spawn.
Damn. Back to Snapchat. I wonder. this, this is the actual photo, as you may see. Shit. I'm fucking. God, I hate this fucking video game, dude. Look at this fool, man. God, I'm just getting fucking ass fucked. Thank you, dude. Thank you for fucking breaking my ass, dude. God, right. Oh, fucking mighty, dude.
Enemy has been slain.
No, dude, you should. Good. You're so shit.
You have slain an enemy.
Get fucking memed on, kid. Holy shit. Oh, I didn't fucking even taunt her, dude. I actually taunt you. Oh my god, get fucking hoed on, dude.
Shut down.
You know, Ash looking mighty tight, mighty fine. You know, she looking mighty fine tonight.
Shut
You know,
down.
she looking mighty tight tonight. You know, she looking mighty tight tonight. You know, she looking mighty
Your
tight.
team has destroyed a turret.
She be looking mighty tight tonight.
You have slain an
You
enemy.
know, she be looking mighty fucking right. You know, she be looking mighty tight. Alright. You know, she be
The best
mighty tight.
defense.
Alright. You know, she be looking mighty tight. Alright. You know, she be looking fucking tight. Holy shit. God. Oh. Get the
Shut down.
Dude, they locked in Zed. Dude, I hate Zed. Everybody who plays Zed is a fucking bozo. What do I play against that? What do I even... They banned... I gotta have Oh, it's Mordman! I got trolled! I got trolled! I would've played, like, nothing actually different, so... I would've played the same fucking champ. Bitch.
Justice.
Boom! Damn. Damn, boy.
How about
Boom!
this?
Any This is what I'm saying, bro. People walk into my passive all the time. Like it's just punish me, daddy.
I haven't been.
Oh my god! Oh my god! My man is tripping. Goodbye. Goodbye. Oh! Oh my god! Ow! Oh my god, bruh! Ah! What the hell, ho? Oh hell no!